Hi! Do a dry goods tutorial for double eyelid stickers today. Mainly to teach you how to put on makeup stickers. Plus, how should you stick it after you paint eyeshadow? You can take one of those cotton towels, or ordinary paper towels are fine. Click here a little bit. Absorb its original shine. We can just start posting. Tell me about my current eye condition. There is a little edema. Take out your own existing double eyelid stickers. It doesn't matter what brand or shape it is. You have to take care of whether it works or not. Learn the trick first. After you can successfully paste this shape. If you buy it again, you think it is easy to use invisibility. Strong support products. I used this one today. I've used it before, and this one is in the shape of an E. Look at the shape like this. There are 4 more stickers. Look at this tail here. It can be torn open. This will help you easily take this double eyelid. Tear it a little when you want to use it. Just take it off. So I'm going to show you how this works upside down. There is a mirror like this in front of you. Your eyes are looking in the mirror. Then the eyelids are exposed. Can you understand? That's probably what it means. Just cover it up. We look in the mirror like this now with our eyebrows too high. Close the eye you want to paste slightly. The other eye is open. Probably this location. This line on the edge of the eyeball. You can start posting here. Alright. This acupuncture point. Hold this hand, I'll stick the front firmly first. Then hold. Pull back a little. You want a little higher in the back. You stick a little up. After pasting it, it was swollen on time for him. Eye bubbles, I suggest you. It would be better to poke a little with his. Better stereotyped. If you open it directly, it may not have that shape. It is the same as a relatively flat fan when posted. Double eyelids are this shape when viewed head up. It is also very natural to close your eyes. Almost nothing like this. I can't even tell if there is a double eyelid sticker. Won't warp. Someone said they don't want it so wide, what should they do? I want the open fan. You can also paste. Let's try this head. A little closer to the corner of the eye, then get closer to the root of this eyelash. You don't need to pull this. But if it is swollen eye bubbles, it seems to be pulling a little bit. Okay, just stick it back. Just stick it back along this shape. It is a more natural inner pair when posted. Then the effect of head-up view is probably like this. Of course, everyone can do it differently. If you post it, it will be different. The effect may be slightly different. This shape is my fake face. Or go out. Lazy. That is to say, without priming. I might post this. Because it is the most natural, then it's not abrupt. Another is to stick the tail on. The previous sticker, I'll give you a try too. Press the front. It's obvious when you see this bullshit. This is the best iron powder for swollen eye bubbles. He needs to take a look at the sticker a little bit more frost. Usually. You can try it yourself. Different stickers have different effects, suitable for different eye types. The other eye I'll show you. How to apply eyeshadow. Take any air cushion and put it on the bottom of the eyes first. Then set makeup. Then apply eyeshadow. 1 floor and 2 floors. The 3rd floor is a bit ugly. But never mind. We're just doing a demo, right? No good. Now it has 4 layers of eyeshadow. Some people, if they want to be pearlescent, be sure to apply after sticking the double eyelid sticker is the best. I picked up a different brand. I used it myself before. It can be seen that he can hold on. But the color will be more obvious. Face paint will be a little warped. A lot of people say, why after I put on eyeshadow? Double eyelid sticker is not strong. It's a common problem, there's no way. But if you encounter such a situation, you tear off the first layer of the sticker for it. Then we take a new one. Wouldn't there be a mark? Be sure to rub it with your hands, or even it with the fish meal on the brush. Either way. Let me post again. Poke me. This is bigger. I'll follow you and press again. There are dozens. The place where the end of my eyes is easy to warp. At least you posted it for the 2nd time. The upper eye and the end of the eye will no longer be warped. The sticker is also relatively firmer. Because the first double eyelid sticker has been given to him. Suck up the excess powder. We can go back and try it ourselves. How do I post like this? Well, it's actually that simple. I put a double eyelid sticker and that's it. Because you always wanted me out. So I made a special video. This is the plain sticker. This is the bottom sticker. If there is anything else you don't understand, please tell me in the comment area. Then I'll answer them one by one. That's it, bye.